Central Spain records temperatures of -25°C after snowstorm. People in central Spain are struggling as a deep freeze follows the weekend's heavy snow, leading to treacherous conditions. Officials have warned the elderly to stay at home. At least 7 people have died due to the weather. The 2 latest victims were homeless people in Barcelona. The temperature plunged to -25°C, 13°F, in Molina de Aragón and Teruel, in mountains east of Madrid, Spain's coldest night for at least 20 years. Deep snow left by Storm Filomena has turned to ice, disrupting transport. There has been an extraordinary quantity of snow and ice for Spain, where winters are usually quite mild. Spanish Siberia. Molina de Aragón, where the coldest overnight temperature was recorded, is 197 kilometers, 122 miles, northeast of Madrid. It lived up to its nickname, the Spanish Siberia. "We're going to have this cold for a few more days, but we all pull together," local woman Yoli Asensio told the BBC's Guy Hedgecoe. "Day-to-day life is difficult," she added. "There's so much snow about, the access to homes and roads is blocked. Some older people have had falls."
Thanks for watching Universal Information and Entertainment TV. Please like and subscribe our channel for more updated videos, news, information and entertainment. See you in next video. Stay tuned.